Hey everyone, welcome to Uttarandhra Cuisine. Today we are going to show you some of our tasty dishes which we have already posted in our YouTube channel. Please check out our video links in the description below. We are going to come with many varieties from Andhra Pradesh, and at the same time we are going to present to you many different cuisines. Okay, now let's have a look at some of our tasty dishes. And please try it out. I'm sure you will like it. And also please like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.